My name is Higgs and this is my friend Boson. Welcome to the Higgs world.
Thanks for the introduction, Higgs. In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. We follow inquiry-based learning model where students take lead in learning.
First, they get a quick review of the research via the videos. Second, they review the paper to learn and understand key concepts. Finally, they can follow up with further research on their own to dig deeper. In the end, students would have learned something new, latest and relevant. Isn't that wonderful, Boson?
Great point, Higgs. Please follow the links to review the research in further details. We want to thank all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. Please like, share and subscribe.
Today, we are reviewing a paper titled, An Integrative Approach to Infer Systematic Relationships and Define Species Groups in the Shrub Frog genus Raorchestes, with description of 5 new species from the Western Ghats, India. The genus Raorchestes was described to accommodate a large radiation of Asian shrub frogs, currently comprising 67 species with distributions right from the Western Ghats in peninsular India, up to central, eastern and northeastern India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar, southern China, Thailand, Malaysia, Laos, Cambodia, and Vietnam. The Western Ghats mountain range in peninsular India is a major center for the origin and diversification of Raorchestes frogs, and it is here that the genus reaches its highest diversity, approximately 80%, with near absolute endemism.
That is wonderful information, Higgs. Extensive studies on this group during the past 2 decades have resolved long-standing taxonomic confusions and uncovered several new species, resulting in a 4-fold increase in the number of known Raorchestes frogs from this region. The genus Raorchestes accounts for nearly 1/4 of the currently known frog diversity of the Western Ghats. Taxonomic studies on such a large radiation that lacks clear morphological synapomorphies among closely related species poses several challenges, particularly with a large number of new species accumulating within a short span of time. This research has revealed another 5 new species in the genus, all from the state of Kerala in southern Western Ghats.
That is so intriguing, Boson. One of the major aims of this study was to comprehensively infer the systematic relationships between Raorchestes species, and define species groups, using integrative approaches in order to facilitate a better working taxonomy for this large and morphologically challenging radiation of rachiphorid frogs. The researchers defined 16 species groups, primarily delimited based on phylogeny, that are additionally diagnosable based on morphology, acoustics, and as well as geographical parameters. In doing so, the researchers provide novel insights that will further enable proper laboratory as well as field-based identification and documentation of Raorchestes frogs in the Western Ghats, and thereby also assist in their conservation.
This is also the first time that bioacoustic studies have been carried out at a large scale for this genus, covering 45 of the now recognized 59 species from peninsular India, thereby allowing a better understanding of the interspecific differences and possible group-level diagnostic call characters and their usefulness in taxonomy. The current work will pave the way for future acoustic studies on this group, which are required to describe the vocal repertoires of species in detail and understand intraspecific variations. An overall understanding of the basic call structures of members of the various species groups will also promote non-invasive documentation and monitoring of shrub frogs in the Western Ghats.
Great point, Boson. Future research is also necessary on various understudied aspects of the group members, such as reproductive behavior, ecology, and natural history, which can further enhance the diagnosis of various species and species groups. This study also highlights a larger set of morphological characters, including various traits such as eye color and patterns for group-level diagnosis of Raorchestes frogs. That was an interesting paper providing overview of a new discovery of 5 new species in the genus Raorchestes frogs, in Western Ghats, India. Hope you liked it. Please follow the links to review the research in further details. Please like, share and subscribe.